Level up your gaming experience with the best gaming keyboards of 2023. From customizable RGB lighting to innovative features like hot-swappability and ergonomic designs, we've curated a list that caters to every gamer's needs. Whether you're into intense FPS battles or immersive RPGs, these keyboards bring style and functionality to your fingertips. Stay tuned to discover the top picks that redefine how you conquer virtual worlds. Let's get started. Number 5. The AULA F2088 mechanical gaming keyboard offers an exceptional gaming experience with its array of features. The 104-key layout with anti-ghost design ensures precise responses even during intense gaming sessions. The keyboard provides a choice between blue, black, brown, or red switches catering to various preferences: blue for a tactile feel, black for speed, red for silence, and brown for balance. One standout feature is the 22 customizable lighting effects, including streaming, racing, and breathing modes, creating an immersive gaming atmosphere. The multimedia and backlight control knob simplifies adjustments, enhancing convenience. The ergonomic design, coupled with a detachable magnetic wrist rest, ensures comfort during extended use. Constructed with a durable metal panel and employing a game-level dual-core IC chip, this keyboard is built to withstand rigorous gaming. With an emphasis on both aesthetics and performance, the AULA F2088 is an ideal choice for gamers seeking a reliable, customizable, and comfortable mechanical keyboard. Number 4. The LEAVEN K620 wired mechanical keyboard delivers a satisfying and responsive typing experience with its mechanical operation style, featuring a compact 61-key layout. The RGB lights add a personalized touch to your setup, offering various lighting options and 9 luminous modes. The keyboard's ultra-portable design and detachable cable enhance its convenience, making it an ideal choice for gamers and office users alike. The dye sublimation keycap printing ensures durability, promising a premium typing experience. The keyboard's thoughtful design includes anti-slip feet for stability during intense gaming sessions. With a reliable wired connection and ergonomic considerations such as bipedal anti-slip brackets, this keyboard combines functionality and style. The 7-color backlighting, along with the choice of blue or red switches, makes the LEAVEN K620 a versatile and visually appealing mechanical keyboard. Number 3. The E-YOOSO Z686 RGB USB 60% mini mechanical gaming keyboard is a compact powerhouse for gamers and professionals alike. Featuring a minimalist 65% layout with 68 keys, it strikes the perfect balance between practicality and functionality. Equipped with pluggable red switches, it offers a quiet yet tactile typing experience, lasting up to 50 million key presses. The customizable full RGB backlighting, with 20 preset modes, adds a vibrant touch, and double-shot keycaps ensure durability. With anti-ghosting and N-key rollover, the Z686 supports multiple simultaneous key presses, ideal for high-speed gaming. Its ergonomic design minimizes hand fatigue, making it suitable for long sessions. Compatible with Windows, macOS, and Android, and featuring a multilingual layout, the Z686 delivers a versatile and reliable gaming and typing experience. Number 2. The Machenike K500 mechanical keyboard is a gaming powerhouse with its 94 keys, PBT shot keycaps, and hot-swappable design. Crafted for durability, the PBT keycaps provide a crystal-clear backlighting experience. The 90% layout strikes a balance between productivity and a compact footprint, ensuring easy access to multimedia and function keys. The keyboard is tailored for your typing preferences, offering 3 WANO switch options: blue, brown, red, for a personalized experience. Hot-swappable functionality allows quick switch customization without soldering. With 20 RGB backlight options and 18 multimedia keys, the K500 provides a visually stunning and functionally rich gaming experience. The Type-C connectivity ensures faster data transfer, making this keyboard a versatile choice for both Mac and Windows users. Number 1. The Akko 5075B Plus V2 is a versatile 75% mechanical gaming keyboard that boasts innovative features. It supports 3 connectivity modes: Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB Type-C. The multi-mode capability allows seamless switching between devices. With a 3000 mAh battery, it ensures extended usage. The 5-pin hot-swappable design simplifies customization without soldering. Efficient cable routing enhances organization, and adjustable heights provide ergonomic options. The RGB backlight, programmable keys, and music visualizer feature create a visually dynamic experience. The extra side RGB light strip adds a touch of luxury. The keyboard's gasket structure and 4 layers of noise reduction deliver a soft and comfortable typing experience. The Akko 5075B Plus V2 stands out as a high-end, customizable, and aesthetically pleasing gaming keyboard.